Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Botim loan in 2025. First, install or update the Botim app on your phone. Then, log in with your registered account. Next, open the menu or payments or remittance section. Then, tap the option for Send Now, Pay Later or SNPL. You may need to provide KYC details such as identity documents, phone number, and link a debit or credit card. The app assesses eligibility and assigns you a credit limit. When sending money, choose the SNPL option at checkout instead of immediate full payment. Then select how many installments you want. The borrowed amount is split into installments. Repay via the linked card or bank, according to the schedule. You can usually view your balance and due dates in the app. Now, check your remaining credit. Complete on-time repayments to request an increase in your SNPL approved limit over time. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Your full name, Emirates ID, contact number, and other required info. Here, confirm your information and finish the verification process through the app. Your account opens instantly, and you will get a virtual debit card and can request a physical one later. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.